Welcome to Techno-Analyst. So today we will install Apache Tomcat. So before installing Apache Tomcat, we have to install Java. So first we will install Java. After that we can install uh, Apache Tomcat. So we'll just click on Java download. To download a Java, you required one email ID. So let's see if it will ask or not. Mhm. Now first we have to install Java. So just click on install. Just wait for a few seconds. So now Java is installed. So after Java, you have to install Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat, and I will click on download. Here I can say Apache Tomcat 9. If you want to download another version, you can just click over here. So here you have to choose 32-bit/64-bit Windows Service Installer. Now its installer is downloaded. So we will start as an administrator. After that, click on next. Next. So Apache Tomcat is installed. Click on finish. So now Apache Tomcat is installed. So we will check the services in services. That's Apache Tomcat services is installed and it's running. Okay, so it's running and it is installed properly. So we will check it is working properly or not. Before that, I need to copy this system name. This is my server system name, and open your browser. Here just type http my system name colon, and here you have to mention the port number which you configured while installing Apache Tomcat. So that port number was 8080. Press enter. See, once you get this screen, that means your Apache Tomcat is working perfectly. So please subscribe to Techno-Analyst-RD. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.